Hi everyone, the question is the parabola y square equal to 4x plus 1 divides the disk x square plus y square less than equal to 1. It's like a filled circle, where center is origin and radius is 1. And so that means it describes, it signifies or denotes the region inside the circle and also on the periphery into two regions. That means the parabola divides the disk into two regions with areas A1 and A2. What we want is a non-negative difference between these two areas. So here what we have just now seen is a circle with center at origin and radius 1. And y square equal to 4x plus 1 would be a parabola which will be concave right, and it will be having vertex at minus 1 by 4 comma 0, and when x is 0, y square is 1, that means y can be plus or minus 1, so that means it will pass through these 2 points, because this is 0 comma 1, this is 0 comma minus 1, this is 1 comma 0, this is minus 1 comma 0, and it is concave right. So it will be something like this. So what we want is, let's say this is area A1 and this is area A2. So we want difference between these two areas. So if you see carefully, this is semicircle and so is this a semicircle. So only part which is coming or which is creating difference is essentially this part. If you see carefully, this part, isn't it? So if you can evaluate area of this part, so you may say A1, let's say the area of this part is, let's say alpha. So A1 would be what? And let's say area of so what, let's say area of semicircle in this case will be what? It will be pi by 2. That means pi by 2 times 1 square, pi by 2. So A1 is pi by 2 plus alpha, and A2 is pi by 2 minus alpha, because area of this semicircle minus this area. So essentially A1 minus A2 is essentially what? 2 alpha. That's it. So we need to find this area. That's it, and twice of it will be the answer. So this is y-axis, which is x equal to 0, and this curve is essentially x is equal to y square minus 1 by 4. So this alpha will be what? Integral, you may say right curve, which is x equal to 0, minus left curve, which is x equal to y square minus 1 by 4 dy, y varying from minus 1 to 1. So I am taking horizontal strips. So essentially, since y square is coming, using property of definite integration, you may say it is essentially 2 times integral 0 to 1 minus times y square minus 1 by 4 dy. So essentially this alpha becomes what? This alpha becomes minus 2, or rather you may say minus 2 by 4, which is minus half times y cube by 3 minus y 0, 1 are the limits. So 0 per anyway it is 0, and at 1 you get 1 by 3 minus 1. So you have alpha is minus half times 1 by 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 2 by 3. So what you have is 1 by 3. And my answer is not alpha, it is 2 alpha. So 2 by 3 is supposed to be the answer. B is supposed to be the answer. Thanks for listening.